So now let's talk about the floral medallion design in Persian rugs. So with this type of design, we have a floral design, but there's a center medallion in the middle of the rug. And this type of design is really, really common in traditional Persian rugs. So these are the rugs that are made in the cities. So for example, Tabriz, Kerman, Sarouk, Kashan, they're often going to have this type of design. And what's really the meaning behind this type of design, so the center medallion represents the lotus flower, and the lotus flower is a sacred flower in Persian rug culture. So the center medallion can be made of one large flower, or it can be made of several flowers put together, several small flowers put together to form one large medallion. Also, you're going to commonly see in medallion floral rugs that there's one center medallion and there's several other medallions around it. So there could be another medallion on top and below and on the sides of the main medallion in the center. Something else to note is also the branches that are typically inside the design for a floral medallion are going to be thinner branches. Same thing with the flowers. You're going to typically see smaller flowers that are being used in this type of design. And when it comes to decorating with floral medallion rugs, you're going to typically see them being used as the central point of the room. So they're going to be centered with either the room, or they're going to be centered with the furniture, or let's say the dining table. So typically they're going to play, because they have a medallion, they're going to be more center and focal point of the room. So the next type of design is geometric medallion, which is another subcategory of geometrical rugs. So with this type of design, just like with the floral medallion, you're going to have a large medallion in the center of the rug that's geometrical in this case, and then you're going to have a corner design. So it's going to be geometric center, and then some sort of designs in the corner of the field of the rug. And typically you're going to see this in village or tribal Persian rugs. So for example, you'll see them in Heriz, in Abadeh, in Zanjan, Karaja, and Qashqai Persian rugs. And something to note about this type of design is that the central medallion is the focal point, and what happens is that the rest of the field of the rug, you're going to have a much lighter pattern. And another thing to note is that you'll commonly see a large center medallion, and then on top and below it, you'll also see smaller geometrical medallions. This is pretty common. So like for example, you'll see this in Heriz a lot of times. So the other subcategory of geometrical Persian rugs we're going to be talking about is the geometric with a repeating medallion. And this is where there's at least 2 or more medallions in the rug. You're going to commonly see this in Tabriz, you'll see it in Heriz, and you'll see it in Azerbaijan and Abadeh rugs. And typically it's going to be in a lot of like village design runner rugs. And the reason this is used in runner rugs is because obviously you're dealing with a really long field, and so it doesn't make a lot of sense to use only one medallion. So what the designers do is that they have the repeating medallion in the rug. Now when it comes to the repeating medallion, although the shape of the medallion could be the same, and usually is the same, you're going to see that the design within the medallion is going to change, and also the background color of the medallion is going to change with each repeating medallion.